Hello students, let's move on to the new topic, nomenclature. So what is nomenclature? Naming an organism is called as nomenclature. Naming an organism. Who names the organisms? They are ICBN and ICZN. ICBN names plants. So it stands for International Code for Botanical Nomenclature, and ICZN stands for International Code for Zoological Nomenclature, which names the animals. So these both of these have some rules for naming the organisms. So first of all, rules of ICBN. Rules of ICBN. The first rule is giving two types of names. Two types of names. They are scientific name, and the second one is vernacular name. Vernacular name or local name. Wherever we go, the scientific name doesn't change. It remains same or constant. Vernacular name changes in the different areas, or a local name is different in every part of the world. So both of these names given by scientist Carolus Linnaeus. Carolus Linnaeus. And he called this type of system of nomenclature as binomial system of nomenclature. Okay. Now the second rule is the scientific name. Second rule is scientific name should have two words. They are, first word is generic and the second word is specific epithet or species. This is the second rule. And the third rule is in which language this name is given is the Latin language. Latin language. And this language is considered as dead language. Dead language. Because before hundreds of years this language is used, but it is not in use after some of the years. So we can consider it as a dead language. So what is the use of naming the organisms in this language is, so the spellings and the names remain the same. They can be changed. So names and spellings remain same. Next, the fourth rule. Name should be written or typed in italics. Name should be typed in italics. Or if we write with our hands, or it would be handwritten, then it should be underlined. It should be underlined. If it is handwritten, it should be underlined. Scientific name starts with, scientific name should always start with genus with a capital letter and the species with small letter. Genus, for example, Panthera tigris. Second example, Mangifera indica. This is genus and this is species, which starts with the small letter. And this is also genus and this is species. Next rule is the name should be more than 3 letter to 20 below 20 letter word. Example, Solanum tuberosum. This is genus and this is species. Next, coming to the rules of ICZN. Here, the rules of ICBN have a binomial system, and the rules of ICZN says that it has a trinomial system. Trinomial system. That is, animals have 3 names. One genus, second one species, and the third one subspecies. Third one is subspecies. Example, gorilla, gorilla and gorilla. This is genus, this is species and this is subspecies. Next, another example, Homo sapiens. Sapiens. Here, Homo is the genus and sapiens is the species and sapiens is the subspecies. Okay. Now, you can observe there are the genus, species and subspecies are named by the same name. So, in the case of animals, genus and species can be similar. So, this synonym, this is called as tautonym. This is called as tautonym. So here the genus and species is spelled as a same name, that is gorilla and gorilla. It is not accepted. It is not accepted in plants. It is not accepted in plants. The trinomial nomenclature system or the tautonyms are not accepted in plants. Okay, let us see the ICBN rules and ICZN rules. Now here are the rules that in the next topic we'll discuss about taxonomy, systematics and taxonomical aids.